Hello everyone! Welcome to DIY House. A small gift I received. Let's open it and see. Wow! A Barbie dollhouse! That's a fantastic gift! A beautiful and posable Barbie doll with lovely dresses. I can understand why you want a dress like hers. Next is the dinosaur bunk bed, a cute handbag, and a teddy bear. The doll climbing onto the bed with a ladder, making her look so big compared to the bed. A vanity table is essential for your glamorous doll, including a mirror and plenty of makeup items. I have an idea to make a castle for the Barbie doll with a princess bed, a vanity table, and many handbags. Using multiple pieces of cardboard to create the frame, and since Barbie likes pink, making the entire room predominantly pink. First, I'll make a dazzling bed. Use cardboard for the frame. Cut along the pencil lines I've drawn. Sand to remove any excess parts. After that, cover it with a layer of white modeling clay on the outside. Add a golden glitter ribbon border around it. The royal patterns I've prepared in advance give it an elegant look. Add a pink gemstone in the middle. Wow! For the bed frame, I'll assemble 3 pieces of cardboard and cover it with pink paper on the outside. To make it look more luxurious, I'll attach a ruffled fabric piece very delicately. Cover it with velvet fabric to give it a soft and plushy appearance. Decorate further with golden satin ribbon and metallic gold bead strings around it. Wow! For the bed curtains, I cut golden foam paper with decorative patterns. Fold and crease mesh fabric to create the curtains. Nice! Add cute golden bows. Nice! Wardrobe. This will be a place to keep Barbie's bags and shoes. suitcase. I'll make it from pink glitter foam paper. The suitcase has wheels, and there's a small bag on top for makeup items.
Wow! The suitcase looks really beautiful. I like it. Wow! What bag should I choose for a stroll in the city?
Uh-oh.
You have an artistic eye. I'm going to buy some cosmetics. Can you help me make a dressing table?
Okay! Assemble the components together. I'm using foam board for easy cutting and trimming. Which color should we choose? Oh, pink sounds lovely! Attach decorations around the table. Ta-da! It's done!
Wow!
Use modeling clay to sculpt the powder compact. Barbie is back.
Hello, I'm home. Springy with perfume.
Okay. A touch of fragrant perfume. I bought a beautiful lipstick. Let me apply a bit of red lipstick. A yellow rug with pearl trim around it. Place it here. Now, we need a chair. Modeling clay is an excellent choice. It's clever to make a comfortable chair, placing it in the middle of the rug, making it look really glamorous, isn't it? For the lower level, I'll make a piano to place under the window. It looks simple, doesn't it? The piano legs are made of pearl beads.
So good!
Oh, adding a cushion to the chair is a nice touch. A pot of colorful flowers. Next, I'll make a staircase going up and down between the first and second floors. Use multicolored pearl beads, including white, for the staircase. Guess what I'm doing? I'm using white pearl beads for the staircase railing. Attach a string of round gold beads to make going up and down safer. Now, the living room is complete. I made a cozy sofa with pink cotton fabric. I'll add pearl string around the edges, and for the armrest, I'll decorate it with floral ribbon. Don't forget the chair legs. Golden pearl beads for the chair legs are a splendid choice. The crown-shaped throw pillow looks adorable. A round table with a rainbow color scheme. Upcycling the lids pieces of old bottles to make table legs. Wow! The Barbie dollhouse has truly transformed. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for my next dollhouse, feel free to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you all.